Hello student. Now this period we are going to discuss the non-conventional sources of energy. Previous period conventional source of energy and its advantages and disadvantages. This period we are going to discuss what is meant by non-conventional source of energies and what are the non-source of energy. The non-conventional source of energy are inexhaustible. It is renewable, can be renewed, reproduced, and this source of energy is environment friendly. With compared to conventional energy, the non-conventional energy do not cause the pollution, less pollution. Which are the sources of non-conventional energy? The sources are nuclear energy, solar energy, wind energy, biogas, tidal energy, and geothermal energy. These are the 6 non-conventional energy. Let's we move one by one. Number 1, nuclear energy. In nuclear energy, we are going to discuss how it is produced, which elements are used, and what are the advantages and disadvantages. Nuclear energy is produced by altering the structure of atoms. It alters and produces the nuclear energy. When such an alteration is made, much energy is released in the form of heat, and this heat is used to generate the electric power. It means the process of production of energy. Alteration made much energy released in the form of heat, and this generated heat is used to generate the electric power. And to generate the nuclear energy, resources are used. Mainly, these two resources are used to generate the nuclear energy. These resources are uranium and thorium. Uranium and thorium used to generate the nuclear energy. In this way, we are discussing about the generation of energy. Now we move the nuclear energy about thorium and uranium. Where it is found? Uranium and thorium mines are located in Jharkhand and Aravalli range of Rajasthan. Uranium and thorium, these mines are located majorly in Jharkhand and Rajasthan. And the thorium is also found in monazite sands of Kerala. and nuclear energy minerals are found in India in abundance. It means that the resources to generate the nuclear energy, it is abundant in our country. Therefore, there is no scarcity of the components of the nuclear energy, uranium and thorium. It is found in Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Kerala. Now, where are these energy plants in our country? In our country, there are these 6 nuclear plants such as Tarapur 2, Rawat Bhatta, Karkapura, Narura, Kagian, Rawat Bhatta. These are the nuclear power stations of India. Now, what to do after this video? You have to find out your activity. You have to find out the stations in which they are located. It means in which states these 6 power stations are located. You have to locate on political map of India their place and state. In this way, this period we discuss about the nuclear energy. Now, second non-conventional energy is solar energy. Solar energy. You know, in our country, there is the abundant of the natural resources such as air, water, mountains, etc. Therefore, to generate the non-conventional energy is easy to our country. Let's say solar energy. You know, the western part of India, especially the Thar Desert region, receives the abundant sunshine for the most of the part of the year. Whole year, most of the part means whole year, we received the sunshine in Rajasthan. Therefore, there is hope to generate the solar energy in Rajasthan. How it is generated solar energy? The solar energy is generated photovioletic technology converts sunlight directly into electricity. This is a techniques. Photovioletic technology converts sunlight directly into electricity. Solar energy is becoming popular in different parts of the country, especially in our country, rural and remote area. Rural and remote area, it becoming the popular. Why? It can be used for the cooking, heating of water, pumping, street lighting. These are the commonly they are using the people in rural and urban areas as well as remote areas. Therefore, it is popular in rural area. The largest solar plant of India is located Madhapur near Bhuj in Gujarat. What is the important role of solar energy? The important role of the solar energy is that solar energy will be able to minimize the dependence of rural household on firewood. Generally, the rural peoples are collecting the firewood and using for cooking purpose. And the use of solar energy reduce the dependency of the firewood. As well as this solar energy contribute to environment conservation, saving the environment. It is pollution free, generating the less pollution, as well as it providing the electricity. Therefore, there is an importance in rural and remote area. That's why it is becoming the popular. About the non-conventional energy, and there are the 6 non-conventional energies, but this period just we discuss the 2 non-conventional energy, that is solar energy and energy. How to produce, where to found, and what is the importance of in economy and for the environment. The remaining non-conventional sources will be discussed next period. Thank you.